Why you chose to be a gynecologist?
I really do care about women's health. Like India, I feel it is little ignored.
PCOS and PCOD. 1 out of 3 girls are having these issues.
PCOD is a smaller term. PCOS उसी का bigger definition with lot of all the things that happen during this hormonal change.
Alcohol and smoking has become a part of the women culture also. Like women are also consuming alcohol and cigarettes.
Smoking per se is even more dangerous. Health related issues. Again, loss of libido, depression, mental breakdowns. So there are so many connections that we can make between smoking, alcohol and decrease in your fertility.
So today I am very excited for this podcast. आज हम women health and fitness के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. For that, we have a very special guest with us, Dr. Juhi Luthra.
Hello everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here. I have so many questions for you to ask about the women health. But मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल आपके साथ ये रहेगा that out of all the options, why you chose to be a gynecologist?
A lot of things, but I really do care about women's health. And you know, in a country, in a developing country like India, I feel it is little ignored. We can do much better. We can decrease our maternal mortality. There's still so many ladies, they don't have basic access for safe deliveries, healthy pregnancies. So I really thought that much work is needed here, and especially also a lot of discoveries and and new inventions are coming in the world of infertility. So these two things attracted me to this branch.
Okay. Yeah. And I want to ask you कि since you are a doctor and आप doctor in practice है, सबसे ज़्यादा पेशेंट्स क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आज तक लेके आए आपके पास विमेन हेल्थ के रिगार्डिंग?
अगर हम प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज़ को अलग कर दें, प्रेगनेंसी एंड रिलेटेड एलिमेंट्स अलग हटा दें, तो उसके अलावा सबसे ज़्यादा हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस. ओके, इट्स अ ह्यूज राइस. आई वुड से लास्ट 10-15 ईयर्स में OPD में 30-40% cases of the daily OPD that we see is a hormonal imbalance, starting right from young teenage girls से लेके 40-45-year-old ladies are also having lot of hormonal issues.
सो मैम, व्हाट इज़ दिस हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस? है क्या ये एक्चुअल में, और हमारे लाइफस्टाइल में ऐसा क्या चीज़ है जो हम इग्नोर कर रहे हैं इसके लिए?
Okay, so how do a patient comes to me? They will come with irregular periods. Number one, कि even if they are now 18-year-old, but still the cycles are not set, they are either delayed or very frequent, scanty, or they would have lot of weight gain over a small period of time. Lot of acne, bad skin condition, hair loss, especially frontal hair loss, depression, mood swings, central obesity शुरू हो जाना. These would be the common signs या symptoms कह लीजिए जिसके साथ patients OPD में आते हैं. And also there's unwanted excessive hair growth on face or other parts of body.
So basically लोग आपके पास सबसे पहला सिम्टम वो यही देखते हैं कि उनके पीरियड्स रेगुलर नहीं आ रहे हैं.
ये कॉमन सिम्टम है, नंबर 1 सिम्टम है.
ओके, ये तो मेरा भी जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन है. PCOS एंड PCOD, हम आई गेस 1 out of 3 गर्ल्स आर हैविंग दीज इश्यूज, बट एक्चुअली ये क्या है, मतलब इसमें इश्यूज क्या है?
See, PCOD is a smaller term. PCOS उसी का bigger definition with lot of all the things that happen during this hormonal change. एक बड़े स्पेक्ट्रम को पूरा PCOS कहा जाता है, and smaller, when we just do a sonography and we see multiple cysts in the ovary, we just say PCOD. But when we see all the things that happen with PCOD, it's called the syndrome, polycystic ovarian syndrome, right? So अगर क्लिनिकली देखा जाए तो सबसे पहले सोनोग्राफी में दोनों ओवरीज में मल्टीपल छोटे छोटे सिस्ट, पानी की गांठें, अगर आप डॉक्टर इस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, वो दिखेंगी. पेशेंट को बहुत सारी हेयर ग्रोथ एट अनवांटेड प्लेसेस, एट हर चिन, मे बी हर अपर लिप, एट हर चेस्ट, यू नो, विच यूजुअली गर्ल्स में नहीं आते हैं. दैट वुड बी सीन. शी माइट बी हैविंग हेयर लॉस एंड मे बी इवन बॉल्डिंग, लॉट ऑफ वेट गेन and mood swings. Some of them can even turn type 2 diabetic in very early.
मैम, PCOD और PCOS को छोड़ के भी कुछ है जो हम अवेयर नहीं है जिसके बारे में हो सकता है, और कुछ हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस हो? क्योंकि PCOD और PCOS ही एक चीज़ है जो बहुत यूनिवर्सली पता है लोगों को.
Yeah, there are other कॉमन हार्मोनल डिसऑर्डर्स, जिसमें से दो मैं मेंशन करना चाहूँगी. एक तो अर्ली प्यूबर्टी, हाँ, जो पहले आज से मे बी 10-15 years back, मे बी girls used to attain menarche, the start of their menses, at 12, 13 or 14. Now girls as young as 8, 9 or 10, and
Okay.
I would say the average time has become 10. So it has moved back to 2 years.
That's too early.
That's
10
too
years,
early.
yeah.
It has a lot of effects, social, mental dilemmas for parents, for the child, and the growth gets stunted because by 10, after once the menarche is attained, बहुत ज़्यादा height उसके बाद बढ़ना मुश्किल रहती है. And of course the girl has to be more careful. She has to take more care of herself. Like, you know, the childhood जल्दी छिन जाता है.
Yeah, and maybe उसका mind अभी ये सब चीज़ें accept करने के लिए ready
Exactly.
नहीं
She is
है.
busy playing with toys and then this thing
Yeah.
happens. It's pretty sad, but 2
Correct.
साल से early menarche देखा जा रहा है.
इसका कोई रीज़न है मैम?
Again, our lifestyle choices are to be blamed, and especially many studies have shown the kind of food that we eat on a daily basis. The milk, there's so much adulterated milk with lot of hormones that are given to the cows, जिसके कारण दूध में भी बहुत excessive estrogen and progesterone सब रहता है. Same thing if a developing child takes, then they get stimulated little faster. This is one of the reasons.
Okay.
And of course other reasons being overeating and sedentary lifestyle. ज़्यादा बच्चे active नहीं है, maybe screen time ज़्यादा है, तो weight gain होता है. जब बच्चा weight gain ज़्यादा करता है, estrogens जल्दी rise होते हैं और menarche कहीं पहले set in हो जाता है. सो जितना बच्चे को एक्टिव रखेंगे, सही सोर्स, सही तरीके से ढूंढ के सेफ खाने की चीज़ें आप प्रोवाइड करेंगे, ये सही रहेगा बच्चे के लिए.
सो इट्स लाइक कि आपके लाइफस्टाइल में एक तो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि व्हाट यू आर ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग. सबसे ज़्यादा तो उसमें एडल्ट्रेशन हो गया. आप कह रहे हो कि जो हार्मोन्स हमारे विमेन हेल्थ के रिगार्डिंग ज़रूरी रहते हैं, या मे बी इट्स रिगार्डिंग पीरियड्स, वो ऑलरेडी हमें मिल्क के थ्रू आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज मिल्क प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाने के लिए उनको वो चीज़ें
हाँ, मास प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मिल्क के लिए बहुत से ये फार्मर्स ये या जो मिल्क
yes. We
सप्लायर्स
have
होते
heard of
हैं,
this, yeah.
they use these kind of injections, but they cause these side effects on the local population.
ओके. सो आई वांट टू आस्क, खाने पीने एंड ये जो हमारा एकदम ही मोबिलिटी एंड हमारा मूवमेंट कम हो गया, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीज़न. कुछ लोगों से हमने सुना है इज़ वेयरिंग वेरी टाइट क्लोथ्स. इज इट ऑल्सो समवेयर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इन योर पीरियड्स हेल्थ या डिटोरेटिंग योर पीरियड्स हेल्थ?
Not scientifically.
Okay.
Not scientifically.
Okay. Yeah, because people used to say that if you're wearing very tight jeans, it is not
That
good for
is-
your muscles and nerves there.
नहीं, but ये men के लिए ज़्यादा important है for other reasons, but not for females.
Okay, okay. But mostly it's about
It's
your
mostly
health.
health
It's
and
about your
lifestyle आपका.
lifestyle. Okay.
मैम जनरली पीरियड डेज वुमेन टू वुमेन वेरी करते हैं. किसी को 3 days होते हैं, किसी को 5 days होते हैं. तो एक्चुअल में ये पीरियड डेज कितने दिन के हेल्दी माने जाते हैं?
It is said that even 1 day से लेके 7 days anything is okay.
Even one
depending.
day?
Yes, है ना. Some
Okay.
people can bleed adequately in a day itself and that is good enough, है ना. Right from 20 ml to 130 ml or even up to 150 ml loss, it's okay. Depends from body to body. What is more important is that it should be cyclic. It should come on time. And now if you ask me how long are the cycles, so it is not that everybody will get a regular 30 day cycle. It can be 21 to 35. That is the usual range which is considered normal. किसी को 21 days में repeat होता है, that's all right, or up to 35 days.
Okay.
Lesser or more than that should be looked into.
Okay. So आई गेस अगर आपको 5 days मंथ पीरियड्स आ रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको आने वाले मंथ्स में 3 days 2 days आ रहे हैं, तो आई गेस दैट्स अ कंसर्न.
Not always. Yeah,
Okay.
if there are more things that you are gaining weight or something else, there are more things. Only just going by the day, number of days of bleeding, you should not be too concerned. Yes, if there are certain other things that you're gaining weight or some, feeling nauseous, having constant pain in tummy, then we can look into it.
Okay.
मैम डू यू बिलीव इन दीज मिथ्स कि फॉर एग्जांपल खट्टा खाने से ब्लीडिंग ज़्यादा होती है या फिर ओवरफ्लो होता है?
I believe in science, so no. And see, there are no studies as such.
यूजुअली हमें ये भी सुनने को आता है कि इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग योर पीरियड्स ऑन टाइम, तो आप मेक श्योर यू आर बेदिंग एंड यू आर वॉशिंग योर हेयर, तो उसके 1-2 दिन के अंदर पीरियड्स आ जाते हैं. तो is it something related to
No,
science?
these
Your
are
water?
just folklores. These are myths created by centuries of people just randomly talking and passing these things. They have no.
They have nothing. Okay. And eating something जिसकी क्या कहते हैं तहसीर गर्म
Hot,
होती
हाँ,
है या
yeah.
जैसे कि बादाम,
To some
किशमिश, dry
extent,
fruits.
see, eating papaya and all because
Yeah,
it
papaya
contains
also.
enzyme papain. Huh? But
Okay.
papain is it's an enzyme which sometimes can cause bleeding. It can.
Okay.
पपीता एंड पाइनएप्पल दोनों में ये एंजाइम पैपेन नेचुरली होता है, पर आपको काफ़ी लार्ज क्वांटिटी में खाना पड़ता है ये, एंड मतलब लाइक लॉट्स ऑफ पपीता एंड पाइनएप्पल, एंड नॉट वी डोंट नो वेदर कितना होगा कब होगा, ये बहुत प्रिडिक्शन नहीं है, बट येस मे बी लिटिल बिट ऑफ इफेक्ट इज सीन.
Ma'am, it's very common nowadays that alcohol and smoking has become a part of the women culture also. Like women are also consuming alcohol and cigarettes nowadays. इतना पहले नहीं होता था. तो is it related to women health, like आपका periods effect होना या आपका आगे birth health के regarding उसमें कुछ changes आते हैं क्या?
Absolutely, it is definitely related.
Okay.
And see, most.
And what are the scientific reasons कि उसकी वजह से?
Yes. See, smoking per se is even more dangerous than drinking. Of course, both are harmful, but smoking is so damaging to the young, fresh oocytes which are still going to be made. जो आपको, you know, in your ovary you have a capacity for up to age of 40 to ovulate, to give birth, you know, 40-45 तक. Those tiny developing oocytes are damaged beyond. The DNA directly is damaged due to smoking, right? So that, and of course with alcohol would come a series of, you know, health related issues. Again, loss of libido, depression, mental breakdowns, and weight gain. Excessive drinking can make you gain weight, and then weight gain will lead to PCOD, again those things.
Okay.
So there are so many connections that we can make between smoking, alcohol, and decrease in your fertility and other such things, you know. So definitely it's a no-no, and the lesser, or if you avoid, it's the best, or if you do, it has to be absolutely in control and rarely.
एंड अभी आपने माइंड हेल्थ के बारे में बात किया ही है अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ. आई वांट टू नो, स्ट्रेस की वजह से भी हमारा हेल्थ इश्यूज या हमारे पीरियड्स पे इफेक्ट आता है क्या?
Absolutely. See,
Okay.
one of the happy hormones of the body is called endorphin. हाँ, जब हम खुश रहते हैं या हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं और when we are surrounded with people जो हमें अच्छे लगते हैं, endorphins ऑटोमेटिकली बॉडी में रिलीज होते हैं और ये हमें अच्छा फील कराते हैं. हाँ, एंडोफिन्स एक बहुत ही बैलेंस बना के रखने वाले हार्मोन्स हैं. व्हेन वी आर स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, हमारे एंडोफिन लेवल्स कम हो जाते हैं. हमारा स्टेरॉइड्स, कॉर्टिकोस्टेरॉइड्स जो नेचुरली हमारी बॉडी बनाती है, स्टेरॉइड इज़ अ स्ट्रेस हार्मोन. अब वो हमें हेल्प करता है स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन से कोप करने के लिए, बट वो बाकी के हार्मोन्स को इम्बैलेंस में भेज देता है. So definitely it has been proven by multiple studies that stress will have a bad effect on your health, be it your hormone health, be it your mental health. Yes, definitely.
यूजुअली मेंटल हेल्थ और फिजिकल हेल्थ का बैलेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट माना जाता है. तो इफ़ आई एम एक्सरसाइजिंग और मैं अंदर से नाखुश हूँ या फिर मैं डिस्ट्रेस्ड हूँ या मेंटली मैं रिटार्डेड हूँ, तो इसका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट होगा इवन इफ आई एम एक्सरसाइजिंग ऑन अ डेली बेसिस.
See, exercise per se सिर्फ आपके मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए दी जा रही है ऐसा नहीं है. एक्सरसाइज, फिजिकल हेल्थ, इट्स अ good way to have a hobby rather than just sitting idle, having more screen time or drinking on a daily basis, doing other sorts of, people would, you know, if you have free time, you might just fall for bad habits. So it's a good habit which will always give you benefits, है ना. But that necessarily does not mean that कि mental health, हाँ आपने exercise की तो आपको कभी depression नहीं होगा, आप anxious नहीं रहोगे, वो हो सकता है. Now for to look into that, other things in life, like surround yourself by people, have a support group, people who always give you better ideas, who inspire you, who love you unconditionally. All that things, slowly you create your own support system, your circle, which keeps you sane, that they are your first therapist, people around you who give you good advice, take care of you, will be number one, will be the first one to whenever you have a problem or difficulty to solve. And of course, if it's something really big, people have difficult situations that they face in life, then expert help of a psychologist or psychotherapist can be taken.
मैम यूजुअली हम देखते हैं जितने भी सैनिटरी पैड्स के रिगार्डिंग एडवर्टीजमेंट्स होती है, ऑल आर शोइंग हैवी वर्कआउट्स, ऑल आर शोइंग लाइक दे आर इनटू स्पोर्ट्स एंड ऑल. टू बी जेन्युइन, मैं अगर हूँ, आई कैन नॉट डू वेरी हैवी एक्सरसाइज ऑन अ डे और टू, लाइक फर्स्ट डे और सेकेंड डे मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. इज इट ट्रू, लाइक फॉर हेल्थ वाइज कैन यू डू heavy workouts on first day or second day, or should you rest?
Yeah.
Like, which is better?
It is totally dependent on a person to person basis. Some people have severe pain and their periods are really heavy, very, they will not be able to, unse hoga hi nahi.
Yeah.
Either they can take care of their body or they can exercise on those 2-3 days. So for those people, better to take rest. Some people, they God gifted, they don't have much pain,
Yeah.
very, very normal average bleeding. So they carry out everything like they do in their routine life. So this, it is up to the people.
So
Their
suppose
body
if-
will tell them.
Okay, so if I'm feeling very okay on first day and second day, can I do exercise? Like,
Absolutely.
it's not
Not
harming
a
anything?
problem. Not a problem at all.
Ma'am, contraceptive pills जो है, it has become very common nowadays. People are using it. So is it affecting our periods? Because usually हम जो उनकी terms and conditions पढ़ते हैं, they mention that it's safe, but actually it is.
ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स अब तो इतनी एडवांस हो चुकी हैं, इतनी न्यूअर जनरेशन पिल्स आ रही हैं. दे कंटेन such less doses of estrogen and progesterone, and so many varieties have been made, especially for people who want to regularize period and acne, some for someone who's little overweight and they don't want to gain more weight with OC pills. Such pills are also available. Some very low dose pills which are meant for girls who are very thin, so they don't have side effects. So I would say that OC pills are wonderful. I mean, they help us in solving बहुत सारी female health problems. Not just as a contraceptive, I can enlist at least 10 or 15 things that they help to solve the problems, breast related, period related. Only thing is you have to take oral contraceptive pills after consulting a doctor, because they can help you choose a best one for you. And what are you looking at? Are you looking at contraception? Are you looking at just regularizing your period? Or for sometimes even for skin benefits. So you have that discussion, and the dosage and kitne din tak lena, everything will be explained to you.
We have these much of options.
Absolutely. So many. You just, आपकी जो demands हैं उसके हिसाब से you can choose, have that discussion with your gynec.
Ma'am, what is menopause and what is the average age of reaching the menopause?
So menopause is a complete cessation of menses. वो point जिसके बाद अब periods नहीं आने चाहिए एक lady में. हम कैसे बोलेंगे कि अब मेनोपॉज हो गया है? इट्स अ रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव डायग्नोसिस. मतलब जब 1 साल तक फुल कंप्लीट 12 मंथ्स पीरियड्स नहीं आए, देन वी कैन से येस द मेनोपॉज हैज सेट इन. क्योंकि कई बार लास्ट के कुछ सालों में इरेगुलर होके कभी 4 महीने 5 महीने ऐसा होके धीरे धीरे बंद होते हैं. सो द टाइम लिमिट विच हैज़ बीन सेट is 12 months of no periods, then we can label that yes, now that lady is in menopause. So the average age for menopause can vary from 45 to up to 55. In India, usually 50 is the age when most of the ladies will enter their menopause.
So मैम, न्यूज़ में बहुत आता है कि कोई वुमेन को एट द एज ऑफ 60 चाइल्ड बर्थ हुआ या एट द एज ऑफ 65 भी हुआ है. तो व्हाट इज़ द करस्पॉन्डेंस कि मेनोपॉज है या नहीं है, या एक्चुअल में क्या है?
नहीं, डेफिनेटली मेनोपॉज है. और ये सब जो हमें मिरेकल्स ऑफ बर्थ एट 50-55 देखने मिलते हैं, ये डोनर एग्स हैं. हाँ, मतलब द एग्स वेर टेकन अप फ्रॉम सम हेल्दियर यंगर फीमेल and they were fertilized with the sperm, and the embryo was then implanted in the uterus. So it is artificial, as in only the uterus is being used. अब आप सोचेंगे भाई यूट्रस कैसे सपोर्ट कर रहा है प्रेगनेंसी को जब ईस्ट्रोजन प्रोजेस्टेरॉन उस लेडी में बन ही नहीं रहे आर्टिफिशियली. देन after the implantation she is given for 9 months estrogen progesterone tablets, injections are provided artificially to sustain that pregnancy, and that is it.
So this is So this is IVF only, which you are
This
talking
is, yes, IVF using a donor egg.
सो मीन्स अगर आपको मेनोपॉज आ चुके हैं इट्स नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल कि आपके खुद के एग्स के साथ
Yes,
प्रेगनेंसी
yes, yes,
ओके
है ना? Unless
Some
that
other
lady
help.
has already frozen her eggs many years back.
Yes, yes,
Some people have done that also, that they
Yeah.
had frozen their eggs long time back when they were young and the eggs were in excellent condition, and now they maybe in their 40s or 50s they realize ki yes, they want to become a mom, they want to take a decision like that.
ओके
So ये eggs fertile रहता है मैम after such age?
Yes, if stored at correct temperature and the proper circumstances, they do retain their fertility.
एंड आजकल ये बहुत काइंड ऑफ कॉमन हो रहा है कि बिकॉज women are not getting ready to be pregnant in very early age. Usually early age is very fertile age मानी जाती है, but women are ready to be pregnant around 28-30 years. तो वो प्रेफर करते हैं कि एक हेल्दी एग को फ्रीज करके रखूं, बट वो इंसर्ट अपनी बॉडी में करते हैं क्या बाद में उसको
Yes,
फर्टाइल
that
करके?
आपका ही यूट्रस यूज
आपके
होगा,
uterus
yes.
में होता है,
Unless
okay.
you have a uterine issue, then you have to go for a surrogate.
अच्छा, ओके.
But otherwise, your own body can be used.
एंड वो यही रीजन होता है कि मेरा उस एज में जो एग होगा वो बहुत ज़्यादा फर्टाइल एंड हेल्दी है.
Right. So
And
many
28, 30 में
people,
नहीं
yeah,
होगा.
they save their eggs, they freeze their eggs, and when they are really ready and they have time and they are ready to become a mom, then they use those eggs.
Okay. Okay. Is it also true that if I'm doing very heavy workouts or if I'm into very aggressive sports, तो it gonna affect my periods? ऐसा कुछ है?
It can,
some hormones.
it can, because see, people doing really who are professional athletes, right?
Yeah.
Their level of steroids in their body, they vary, and that's why they can have lesser periods or periods which come at very long intervals. So that can happen.
Okay.
So they take pills to delay the
Some
periods?
that they can, in case they have a very important match or something. Many people do.
And is it safe postponing your periods? by
Once in
taking
a while,
pills?
there is no problem.
Okay. But not frequent.
Frequently, then your body will not know what it is doing. The whole balance will be gone. The regulation that monthly it should come, it will be all lost.
Imbalance. हो
Imbalance
जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
Yes. What do you believe is the best age for getting pregnant?
See, as lots of studies and the science says that before 30 is very, very good. You are in your best of health, your eggs are healthy, right? Your periods are very regular. So I think before 30, but motherhood is such a complex whole situation that it's not just about what I say, but when the woman is ready. But scientifically speaking, if before 30 you can do it, it's great. It would be great.
मैम मेनोपॉज में डाइट चेंज करना चाहिए? इफ यस, व्हाट शुड वी ईट?
Okay. See, menopause में we see a drastic loss of calcium through the bones. Estrogen जो हमारे हार्मोन है, उनका काम है कि ब्लड में, फूड में जो कैल्शियम हमें आता है उसको वो हमारी बोन्स में डिपॉजिट करते हैं, इसलिए हमारी बोन्स अच्छी रहती हैं. मेनोपॉज के बाद ईस्ट्रोजन चले गए और हमारी बोन्स में से कैल्शियम छिनना शुरू हो जाता है और नया कैल्शियम जमा नहीं होता. सो अगर हम डाइटरी कैल्शियम थोड़ा बढ़ाएं और हम ऐसे कुछ फूड खाएं जिसमें नेचुरल प्लांट बेस्ड ईस्ट्रोजन हो, तो हम इस चीज़ को रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. वन ऑफ द थिंग्स इज सोयाबीन. सोयाबीन कंटेन्स समथिंग कॉल्ड फाइटोईस्ट्रोजन, मतलब प्लांट बेस्ड ईस्ट्रोजन. ठीक है, तो जितना आप सोयाबीन हफ्ते में 2-3 बार बना सकें, या सोया फ्लोर आता है पिस के, वो आपने नॉर्मल आटे में मिला के रोटियां उसकी बनाएं, तो थोड़ा आपको नेचुरल ईस्ट्रोजन्स मिलते रहेंगे, आपकी हड्डियां बेटर रहेंगी. अदर थिंग्स लाइक नाचनी, एक काफ़ी इग्नोर्ड आटा है जबकि इसके हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स बहुत हैं. नाचनी की चीज़ें या नाचनी का आटा आप अपने थोड़े नॉर्मल आटे में मिला के खाएंगे, वो बड़ा अच्छा रहेगा. ब्रोकली, इट्स अ सुपर फूड. इट हैज़ गॉट सो मेनी एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स जो तेज़ी से हमारे ऊपर इतने ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस शुरू हो जाते हैं आफ्टर 45-50. सो ब्रोकली इज़ ग्रेट. चिया सीड्स आर अनदर वंडरफुल सोर्स ऑफ ईस्ट्रोजन्स. सो दीज वुड बी सम एडिटिव्स: चिया, ब्रोकली, सोयाबीन एंड नाचनी.
एंड मैम मेनोपॉज से भी कुछ मेंटल स्ट्रेस या ये सब इंक्रीज होता है क्या?
Absolutely. So many people, see, it's such a huge change in a lady's life, these hormones leaving your body. It's almost like people describe it as like, how you feel when you stop people stop smoking, how restless they get, anxious they get, they can't sleep. So when our estrogens are no more there, there's so many changes, and they need a supportive family, supportive group who understand that they are going through a very difficult time. है ना? And many people have panic attacks at night, night sweats, पूरी मतलब, you know, they will sweat so much, sudden breakout of sweat.
So that is what
anxiety,
hot flashes
hot
is?
flashes, exactly. है ना? Hot flashes and anxiety, mild depression, all these things can happen. But what I would say is these are all temporary. These are all, they will pass off if dealt with correctly.
Okay.
तो इसे ओवरकम कैसे करें मैम?
As I said, you should have your support group. That helps a lot. Other ladies who are your age, undergoing similar circumstances, you know, you can talking helps a lot. Your calcium, your supplements. If it is really bad that the night, this hot flashes are very, very bad, and the panic attacks, there is a lot of anxiety, you can even, there are tablets available, there are hormone replacement treatment available which can be taken with the help of your gynecologist, you know, with
And they are
the
safe.
consultation.
The tablets are safe.
Of course, I mean, nothing will be absolutely safe. Nobody is going to say that, but of course it's very, very safe. One has to assess the patient कि उसको कोई pre-existing hypertension ये वो बाकी सब देख के we can start.
Ma'am, how can a man contribute to a women health improvement?
Well, this could be controversial if I say what is in my mind, but see, how can you expect somebody else to take care of you all the time? You know, you are a grown-up person. When you're a child, of course, your parents, your father, they will give you the best of everything, nutrition, health, education, everything. But once you're grown up, I feel it's better not to rely on men, okay? But what we can expect from them is that they should be self-reliant, right? That is how they can help. At least being self-reliant for many things which they just ignore, and they, you know, they pile up the work. Ladies के ऊपर पूरा काम छोड़ के चले जाना, मुझे लगता है अगर हाथ बटा लें थोड़ा, वो भी बहुत है. Then how will a person get time अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखने के लिए, अगर हर कोई अपने छोटे छोटे काम उसके ऊपर छोड़ते जाए. So I think as today's generation, हर कोई अपना काम, घर को एक रेस्टोरेंट ना समझा जाए, एक होटल ना समझा जाए, हर कोई हेल्प करे उस लेडी की, थोड़ा थोड़ा काम हाथ बटाते जाए, तो उसे भी अपने लिए समय मिलेगा. बाकी आई फील लेडीज़ आर वेरी स्मार्ट, उन्हें टाइम की ही प्रॉब्लम होती है. टाइम मिल जाए तो वो सब अपना ध्यान रख लेंगी. तो मुझे ऐसी उम्मीद है कि आदमी अपना काम कर ले, सेल्फ रिलायंट बने, हाथ बटाएं सही तरीके से, और एक मेंटल सपोर्ट, किसी के दुख, किसी की तकलीफ़ को का मजाक कि हाँ ये ऐसे ही है, कोई मेनोपॉज में इतनी तकलीफ़ें सह रहा है, उसको इग्नोर करना, किसी से ठीक से बात नहीं करना. इवन यू नो यू कांट डू मच, बट एटलीस्ट यू कैन टॉक प्रॉपरली. आई थिंक इन इंडियन हाउस होल्ड्स एक प्रॉब्लम ये भी है कि लोग, मतलब लेडीज़ की तकलीफ़ों को जब तक बहुत बात नहीं बढ़ती है, जब तक इट डजंट क्रॉस अ सर्टेन डेंजर पॉइंट, दे आर इग्नोर्ड. सो दैट शुड नॉट बी डन. या एक तो सेल्फ रिलायंट बने और थोड़ा एक सिंपैथी रखें, एम्पैथी रखें किसी से.
मैम, इन योर करियर आज तक का आपका सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग या एक्सट्रीम केस जो आपने देखा हो?
See, there were so many difficult, weird, rare cases that we have seen, but I would like to share one recent one which we have very successfully managed at our hospital. So this young lady, she must be 27 or 28, from a little poor background, और वो बहुत टाइम से फैमिली के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हैं. ऑलमोस्ट 7-8 साल हो चुके हैं. शादी जल्दी होती है उस उनके समाज में, और 8 साल से ट्राई कर रहे हैं, नहीं हो रहा है. So we started doing all the tests कि क्या problem है, and we realized on the sonography that she had a big tumor in her left ovary. Okay, and the tumor was very big, I think more than beyond 10 centimeter or so. So we told them, and we said कि laparoscopically we'll remove. We removed the tumor. It went very well, and after 6 months she came back, and she had conceived naturally after removing that tumor. We were all very happy, and you know, yeah, finally she got the gift that she wanted. But once we started doing the sonographies for pregnancy, in the first trimester, I could see the baby, you know, like a good 10 weeks pregnancy, but I also saw a big mass on the side of the uterus. And then on further sonographies and tests, it showed that now there was a tumor on the right ovary.
On the another one.
Another one, and the similar kind of looking, very like a little bad tumor it was, and this lady, she really wanted the child, and this tumor was growing aggressively. We just didn't know what to do, to let her continue with the pregnancy or remove the tumor.
So during pregnancy, you cannot remove that tumor. It's very
it would
risky?
have been very risky, very risky.
For both.
For both, more so for the baby. A mother to still we would manage, but the baby, we were not sure if it will, वो सर्जरी के बाद बचेगा कि नहीं सर्वाइव. So and she was hell bent, and she clearly told us कि no, I will not let you operate, पहले baby then anything else. So just we continued and we kept monitoring, kept doing repeated sonographies, but by 24 weeks that tumor had become so big that she was admitted with breathlessness. She could not breathe. Her whole tummy was full of tumor, and of course a smaller baby of 24 weeks. There was no whatever she would eat, she would puke out because the tumor was pushing on her stomach, on her intestines. She was having trouble breathing. Then after a lot of counseling, consent signing, we told her that we would do, we have to save you. If you are not there, nothing will be there.
Yeah, correct.
And we opened her up, and a giant tumor was removed. The entire right ovary had to be removed. And whatever was left of the other ovary after removal of the previous tumor was still there.
Okay.
And then the next 5-6 days were full of tension and anxiety that what will happen, is she going to go into self-termination or something, but God is great. And of course we also did a good job, as much, whatever we could do for her, and she slowly recovered. And she delivered with us. She had a normal delivery at the end of 37 weeks.
Wow.
And that is one case that it's very close to our heart.
Yeah.
And that
There
is
is so
one
much responsibility on you people.
Yeah,
ना?
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
my God, like you, सारी family का kind of होता है आपको, and actually आपको कितना अच्छा भी feel होता होगा ना कि
Yes,
आप doing
definitely.
this successful
That
things.
that was such a, जैसे फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं माँ या बच्चा, but these things rarely do come.
Yeah,
They
because
do happen.
whatever things we do, it's a one thing, but saving people's life, it's another level. Yeah, so yeah.
I
a lot
always
of
remember that
responsibility
girl,
on you
and
people.
now when she lives far off, but her parents come to meet often for some other things. They come to hospital. They always say hi, hello to me.
Yeah.
Actually, after listening also, I'm getting these goosebumps, and I'm like, बाप रे, एक बहुत बड़ा.
I have that video with me somewhere in the hospital. There's a tumor, me.
I don't know हम
surgeon,
देख पाएंगे कि नहीं. But yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
मैम आप एक मैसेज क्या देना चाहेंगे to the women of all generation?
The message that I would like to give to all my female viewers, all the younger ladies who are watching this, is please do it sooner, not later. Now, if you start taking care of your health at 45, 50, suddenly you wake up, now I will eat healthy, now I will exercise, everything. So many things have already set in, your cholesterol levels are through the roof, you're type 2 diabetic, your, calcium levels are gone, you have mild osteoporosis in your body. Why to waste so much time, okay? You can and you should make time for yourself, okay? No matter you have kids, you have family, all of us have that, but every day some time for yourself where you do one good thing for your body. Maybe you do exercise today, tomorrow you eat some healthy diet, next day you read something, an article which increases your knowledge, or read a book which gives you some, peace. One day you meditate. So keep doing these little things every day and start it as soon as possible, and do not wait that, oh, I'll take care of my health when I'm 40, till then, oh, who cares? Because once it starts to show, the downfall is very fast. बहुत जल्दी फिर चीज़ें होती हैं, फिर रिवर्स करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है कि अच्छा अब हम कैल्शियम भी लेंगे, हम कोलेस्ट्रॉल की भी दवाई खा लेंगे, फिर मुश्किल है. If you start sooner, you will last longer, you will be healthier, and you don't have to do so much in your old age for your health. You'll be a very healthy person.
Yeah.
That would be my message.
So we need to be a little bit selfish about ourselves, about her health.
अपने लिए,
Yeah.
है ना? तो अपना ध्यान भी रखिए ताकि आप अच्छे हेल्दी रहेंगे तो सबके लिए कुछ कर पाएंगे,
Correct.
है ना, और खुद भी खुश रहेंगे.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
चल.
Yes. Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
for
Thank you,
joining
ma'am.
us. We actually had a very insightful podcast with you, and we hope कि next time हमारे पास और ज़्यादा सवाल हो and you can give us some answers. And
It was a
insights.
pleasure being here and talking to you young girls, and it was really good. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.